If your Troy-Bilt mower isn't cutting as cleanly as it used to, chances are the blade is either dull or damaged. In partnership with our good friends at Troy-Bilt, we'll walk you through how to sharpen and replace the blade step by step, so you can get your lawn looking its best again. To help demonstrate, we have this awesome Troy-Bilt walk-behind mower. It's equipped with a 149cc Troy-Bilt engine, a durable steel cutting deck, and a grass catcher to make every mowing job much easier. So let's get into it. Make sure the mower is completely turned off. Disconnect the spark plug wire and move it safely away from the plug to prevent accidental starting. Allow the engine to cool before you begin. Carefully tilt the mower back so the air filter and carburetor are facing upward. This prevents oil or fuel from leaking. Use a stable surface and ensure the mower won't tip or shift while you work. Make sure you're also wearing the proper safety equipment, as we'll be handling the blade directly. Use a block of wood to hold the blade in place. Take note of the blade orientation. It will help during the reinstallation. With your socket wrench, loosen the center bolt by turning it counterclockwise. Once removed, carefully take off the blade and any washers or blade adapters. Check the blade for cracks, severe bending, or excessive wear. If the blade is damaged, replace it with a new one designed for your model. If it's just dull, you're good to go ahead and start sharpening it. Before starting this process, secure the blade in a vise. Using a metal file or grinder, sharpen the cutting edge at the original angle. And while sharpening the blade, make sure you work from the top side of the edge. And remove only minimal material. Next thing we're going to do is balance the blade by supporting it on a nail or balancer. Both sides should sit evenly. A balanced blade ensures smooth operation and reduced vibration. Position the blade back onto the mower with the correct orientation. Make sure the cutting edges face the direction of rotation. Reinstall the bolt and any washers. Then tighten the bolt securely using your socket wrench. For best results, use a torque wrench to tighten to the manufacturer's specs. Carefully lower the mower back onto all four wheels. Then reconnect the spark plug wire. Start the mower and let it run briefly. Listen for unusual vibrations or noise. This could indicate improper installation or an unbalanced blade. Take a pass across your lawn and check for a clean, even cut. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Sharpening or replacing your Troy-Bilt mower blade is one of the easiest ways to improve cutting performance and keep your lawn looking sharp. Thanks again to the team at Troy-Bilt for supporting this video. And remember, visit PartSelect.com to get everything you need to keep your Troy-Bilt mower running smoothly. Take care, and we'll see you next time.